Hello everyone. Today we will present a review of article titled Digital Citizenship Education at the Early Childhood Level. How is it implemented? A systematic review. But first, let me introduce myself. Berlian Arif Asmayani, student ID number 134, and my friends Azahra Febiasri, student ID number 141, and Naura Kafida Wulandari, student ID number 146. Okay, next. Okay, slide 1, Introduction and Article. State the title Digital Citizenship Education at the Early Childhood Level. How is it implemented? A systematic review. Author Lindsay Lee, Jana Patrikta M. Valdez, and Ying Kiao Du. A journal, International Journal of Childcare and Education Policy. Publisher Springer, years 2000 to 5. Okay, next purpose. It is important to emphasize that digital citizenship education for young children is essential and must be implemented in an integrated manner with strong support from parents and teachers, so that children can use technology safely, ethically, and responsibly. Okay, next. Slide 2, Abstract Summary in the Core. Key statement, the study examines digital citizenship among young children aged 0 to 8. Its primary objective is to explore how the concept of digital citizenship is applied in education to identify effective strategies for fostering safe, ethical, and responsible digital behavior from an early age. Okay, next, main findings. The implementation of digital citizenship for young children remains limited, but it has proven to be more effective when integrated into the learning process using interactive and collaborative process such as gamification. Okay, research concludes teens education should be implemented from early age using method appropriate to children's development stage, so that they can use technology responsibly and safely. Okay, next.
3. Research objective. In this section, I will explain the research objective of this study. The study aims to explore how digital citizenship is introduced to young children aged 0 to 8 years old. At this stage, children are already exposed to digital devices, but they still do not fully understand how to use technology responsibly. In addition, the research seeks to identify effective teaching strategies that can support digital learning in early childhood education. These include how learning activities can be designed to match children's developmental level so they can understand digital concepts more easily. Another important objective is to examine the roles of parents and teachers in guiding children. Both of them play a crucial role in helping children develop safe, ethical, and responsible digital behavior. Furthermore, this research is important because many children are already familiar with technology, but they often lack awareness of potential risks such as inappropriate content or unsafe online behavior. Therefore, this study emphasizes the need for early digital citizenship education to help children build good habits when using technology.
Research design. The study employed a systematic review design, which is a research method aimed at collecting, reviewing, and analyzing various relevant research provided in a systematic and structured manner. This approach was used to obtain a comprehensive understanding of the implementation of digital citizenship education in early childhood. In its process, this study followed the PRISMA private reporting item for systematic review and meta-analysis witness to ensure that the literature selection process was conducted in a transparent and accountable manner. The data collection method used include library research through search of scientific databases such as ProQuest, Web of Science, ABS CoHost, APA, PsycInfo, ERIC, and Google Scholar. The use of relevant keywords example is digital citizenship and early childhood. The article selection process through stage of identification, screening, and final selection. From this process, a total of 23 research articles were selected that met the criteria for further analysis. Sample. In this study, the sample did not consist of individual participants but rather scientific articles relevant to the research topic. The object of the study is the implementation of digital citizenship education in early childhood, including learning strategies, the role of parents, the role of teacher in shaping children's digital behavior. The participation involved in the selected studies include early childhood 0 to 8 years old, parents, teacher, or early childhood educators. The selected article must meet the following criteria published in reputable scientific journal, focus on early childhood, discuss digital citizenship, and last one, empirical in nature, not opinion, and editorial article.
5. Main finding. In this section, I will explain the main finding of the study. The results show that digital citizenship education is more effective when it is integrated into daily learning activity, rather than being taught as a separate subject. This means children can learn naturally while participating in their regular classroom activity. One of the key findings is that interactive and game-based learning approach can significantly increase children's engagement. For example, using digital games or storytelling application can help children understand concepts like online safety and responsible behavior in a fun way. In addition, collaborative activity such as group work allow children to interact with others and develop important social skills. Through this activity, children learn how to communicate, cooperate, and behave appropriately in digital environment. The study also highlights that learning must be adjusted to children's age, ability, and individual needs. This is important because young children learn best through simple, concrete, and engaging experience. Moreover, the finding emphasizes the importance of involving parents in the learning process. Support from parents at home can strengthen what children learn at school and help them apply digital citizenship in real life. Overall, the study showed that digital citizenship education should be interactive, meaningful, and closely connected to children's daily experience.
Conclusion summary. Digital citizenship education for early childhood is crucial for developing safe and responsible digital behavior. It is most effective when integrated into core learning. Not taught separately, parents and teachers play a crucial role in guiding and modeling technology use. Interactive, collaborative, and play-based approach enhance children understanding. Future research is needed in early childhood 0 to 8 years due to its limited availability, developing appropriate methods and measurement tools for early childhood, examining the influence of culture and family environment on digital citizenship, examining more innovative and contextual learning strategies.
7. Personal reflection. In this section, I would like to share my personal reflection on this study. In my opinion, children today grow up in a digital environment where technology is part of their daily life. They can easily use smartphone, tablet, and other digital devices, even at a very young age. However, being familiar with technology does not mean they understand how to use it responsibly. Many children still need guidance to recognize what is safe and what is not in the digital world. This is why digital citizenship education is very important, especially in early childhood. Children need support from parents and teachers to develop good habits such as using technology responsibly, respecting others online, and protecting their privacy. I also believe that learning should not only focus on the theory, but also involve real activities. For example, children can learn through games, discussion, and real life situations, so they can better understand and apply what they learn. In addition, collaboration between school and family is very important. When parents and teachers work together, children can receive consistent guidance both at home and at school. In conclusion, this topic is very relevant to modern education. Digital citizenship education not only helps children use technology safely, but also support the development of their character and responsibility in the digital era.
Okay, thank you for attention. Uh, Goodbye.